Hi all, I'm Guru here. I'm back to you people. You might have seen a couple of my recorded sessions, and you might have come across. Really, it is going very good with my YouTubes, and people are learning a lot from my YouTubes only. And today, I'm happy to share you the fresher level of people and who what kind of questions they are going to ask and how they should answer the interview questions. This is one of the important topic which I would like to discuss with you people. Okay, actually, any person who go for an interview, and what would be the first round technical interview, what they can expect, and how the first round technical interview will happen to the people. And in the first round technical interview, with a minimal experience, like a 2 years, 3 years of experience in people. So I can talk to you people from 2 to 3 years to till 15 years of experience with people. I have taken a lot of interview for them, and today I would like to discuss with you people only with junior level, like 2.5 years, 3 years of experience with people. So, what are the questions they may expect from the interviewer because they are to junior level? And for the junior level, the expectations of the company is also the same, what they have an experience. Okay. So first questions they would like to ask, okay, but imagine that I have their profile and what kind of questions they were expecting from junior level of a technical discussion, that to first round. Okay. So if they ask, like I will tell you the giving the method of answer also. I will tell you the questions also, how best you are going to help to clear yourself to clear an interview. Okay, if I ask like, okay, can you brief about yourself? First question, it is the first question everyone will ask, and they should explain very neatly. Hey, hi, my name is Kiran, and I have 2.5 years of experience or 3 years of experience, and I am working in XYZ organization, and presently I am playing a QA role in that particular team. And actually my company, it is giving a QA services to the clients, as well as we have a in-house project. I am into the finance sector, where I was playing a QA role in one of the team. That's it, don't go much and elaborate so many things. Okay, next question he will ask, so from the basic he will go up, he will go technically bit tough. Okay, okay, he may ask like, why do you interested in testing? Why you come to the testing? Because there are some development is there, this is there, that is there. Why you are really interested in testing? So what is his opinion? So his opinion should come out in such a manner, he should get convey his messages. Okay, sir, actually it does, he should dynamically, he should tell the interviewer saying that, sir, actually it doesn't mean that I am not interested in development. Okay, it doesn't mean that I am more interested in testing also, but my intention is my intention is to make sure that every product which we are going to release to the production, it should be bug free. And I am keen to identify the mistakes from the software. So compared to the development, I got very much interested to to make sure that the quality is 100%. Quality is 100% in the sense like, so I'm the person, I wanted to identify the defects as possible as, so that I'm interested more according to my defect, the requirement should get changed. So that much functionality in depth I wanted to have. I wanted to make sure that the quality of deliverable should be perfect. Done. So this is your opinion, you told to the interviewer why you are interested in testing. Okay, he will keep quiet. Then he will ask, hey, if when when you wanted to do the smoke testing, why you wanted to do that? This is the first questions they are going to ask him. So he should tell very neatly, sir, whenever I completed my test case design, I will wait for the build. Okay, once build come to us through the release notes from the development team to me, I wanted to make sure that my build, my application which I got from the development should work properly. So to make sure that my build is working properly, I wanted to do the initial level of testing. initial level of testing in the sense I wanted to do the build verification, whether this build is perfect to go for a further testing or not. Means I wanted to enter the URL. I wanted to show whether I wanted to see whether application is downloading or not. If it is downloading, is it allowing me to log in inside? If I'm able to log in inside, then only I can do something. Means the build is perfect to go ahead for the testing. Hey, build is not perfect. What do we do? Sir, we call it as we will suspend the testing activities because smoke test got failed, and we will request for the new build. That's it. Okay. Okay. So you tell me when you wanted to do the functional testing. So what is this functional testing? First, you tell me that. What is the functional testing? So he should tell them, sir, actually, according to my test cases, which I have designed from the requirement, I'm expecting the build which I got from the development team. I'm expecting that the application should work according to my expected result of my test cases. Means I'm doing something, the behavior of the application should respond me as we are expecting from the requirement. That is, I call it as functional testing. Okay. Okay. So in the functional testing, so do you do the system testing also? What is the difference between these two? Functional and a system. You tell me briefly what is functional testing and what is system testing. So these are the basic questions which they are going to ask them. So functional testing means we are concentrating only on the functions of an application. Functionally, the application should behave as the requirement is mentioning, as the application should behave, how my test case I have designed. But in system testing, we are not only executing the functional test cases, we wanted to concentrate on non-functional also. Non-functional in the sense we wanted to do the testing on the performance, we wanted to do the testing on security, we wanted to do the testing on compatibility. Means system testing includes functional testing as well as non-functional testing, but functional testing includes only the function, the behavior of the application only we wanted to check. This is the difference, sir. So he should give them answer in such a way that, so he should feel an interest. He should get a confidence on you people. Oh, this guy, if I take, okay, this guy get do something. Even though junior level, there will be an expectations. Then he will do, okay, if I give you the build, the defect got fixed on that build. What is your next step? What do you wanted to do? Sir, first I wanted to, he should tell them clearly, sir, first I wanted to do the retesting. Means the defect which I have raised in the earlier iteration, which got fixed on my name, I would like to do the retesting to check whether the defect which I have raised in earlier iteration has got fixed properly or not. If it is fixed properly, then I will change the status from fixed and verified to closed because I retested it in my new build. It is fixed. Now I will write the comment stating that this defect is working as per expected. Hence, I'm changing the status from fixed and verified to closed. Matter is done. If the defect is not working as per my expected, as per my test cases, which I have raised the defect, definitely I am going to reopen the defect and I will write the comment, systematic comment. Still this defect is existing. So hence I am reopening the defect. Again, it will go back to him and he will try to fix it out once again. Okay. So then when can you do the regression testing? So regression testing I can do with a different situations. I will do the regression testing when I closed my defect. Means the closed defect which I have closed, right? The code has done the modification in the code by the developer. Means I wanted to check the modified code should not impact my earlier functionality which were working fine. To make sure that earlier functionality also should get work as per expected, because of that reason I wanted to re-execute the test cases, making sure that the closed defect should not impact the rest of the functionality which were working fine. That's it. Fine. He may ask you question, hey, I have a release at 4:30 p.m. today. Okay. And You need to execute 500 test cases. What you will do? Time is 4:30 p.m. I need to release this product to the production. And you doesn't have any time. What you will do? Yes, sir, we have faced the same issues in my last organization. What we used to do, I don't want to execute all 500 test cases. I wanted to execute a couple of test cases which falls under priority one. Means major functionality I wanted to check. First, I would like to execute them. If it is working fine, we will go ahead and release the build. Then he will ask, no. At 4:25 p.m. you got a critical defect. What you will do? Correct, right? He is putting you the situations what he is facing. Okay. Yes, sir. We have faced the same problem, same issues in my last organization. Means at 4:25, if I got a defect and 4:30 I have a release, then I would like to see the criticality of that defect, how critical that defect is. Is it affecting? Is it impacting the end user? Is their business is stopping? If it is stopping, we wanted to hold the release. Then we will think of alternate way. And what we will do, even though if it is not impacting that much, we wanted to, at the end of the day, we will prepare the release notes. We will mention that defect in the release notes, stating that, okay, this defect is known defect. Don't worry, it will not impact you. No, it will impact a lot. What you will do? Then what we will do, as of now, we will release, immediately we will release the hot fix. Means we will tell to the customer, don't worry, you can use right now. And we wanted to close the defect as early as possible. We will do the hot fix and we will release. No. Your developer will or your manager will tell you, so how could you got such defect at the critical moment? What you have done in a earlier iteration? Then what is your answer? He wanted to put you in the situations where he wanted to see how best you are coming out from that situations. Obviously, right? It may happen. Yes, sir. If in the earlier iteration, it was working fine, that is the reason we are doing regression testing to make sure that all the functionality should get where it got impacted, sir, because of code modification. But what we will do, we will fix it as early as possible, and we wanted to make sure that this is working once again, and we wanted to release it out. Okay. You may ask another questions also, right? Okay. For example, if you have a 500 test cases and you need to execute them, and you got a 5 defects, 500 test cases, 5 defect means from 100, 1 defect you got it. Okay. Then defect got closed on your name. It has come to you. Then in the regression testing, how you wanted to do? You don't have a time to execute all 500 test cases. What you will do in that situation? So we will do the impact analysis. Means the five test cases where all are it is affecting. We will take such kind of test cases. We call it as impact analysis. Then we wanted to make sure that we will execute only those test cases. I can save the time. I can catch hold of related test cases. Then I will do the regression testing. That's it. Guys, there are many things. For example, if anybody they wanted to jump from testers to test lead to test manager. Okay. So I would like to help them out. This is the just junior level I have discussed with you people for the test lead, how they have to face an interview for test manager, what are the questions they are going to ask you. Guys, get interact with me. Definitely, I am happy to help you. Trust me. So I feel so happy to help out the people who are struggling for the job. See, getting job is easy. You should know the route, right? Without knowing anything, so why you are expecting one job? My question. Okay, work hard. I am there to support you. I'm there to help you out. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Guru. Thank you. Bye. See you.